Hello guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be playing a few ranked games in Hearthstone with my Paladin class right there, and I hope we get a few wins because we are very close to getting a coin pack, I mean card pack, that we can unlock some new cards and possibly think we have to win these two or the next one.
The light shall bring victory.
I will fight with honor.
Yeah, but I don't know if we're gonna win this one. It looks kind of hard. Gonna keep those two. Those two are really those all three are good to have from the start, just to keep around. This guy obviously is gonna have something to play. He's got like so many cards. It's like nothing he cannot do. He's gonna beef himself up.
Someone call for dinner.
He's already full health. I would have saved him. Doing why not?
Reporting for duty.
He's a 2-1. I'm a 1-1. We're both dead. Unless he goes for my hero.
Is someone injured?
Gets to attack. I'm going for my hero. Oh, he's dead next. Cause I'm gonna kill him. Ooh, he's gonna coin something out. No, Mind Blast. I hate Mind Blast. It's ugly. It's a good thing you only get to. I'm gonna play that.
Reporting for duty.
And save him. I want to play him next. Then after my Sun Cleric. And then I can beef him up. Maybe I'll even play Consecration. Great damage, draw card with it. Nah, I don't think so. Consecration. Nope. I'm gonna play my Shield Master. So now those guys are forced to attack me. It's 3 damage plus a bonus something from charge if he has any. Gonna do something. Maybe a damage up.
Must consider.
Oh, healing. That healed though. Divine Spirit. Oh, that's so smart. Right. Another Sun Cleric. That's actually really good.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
+3 attack on that. And boom. I don't know if I should play that, but I'm going to. It's gonna be at 8-7 next, unless he does that. Oh. I'm literally gonna cry. He had the perfect thing, and now it's ruined. It's destroyed. Yeah, I'm just gonna play that and that, and then
For justice.
attack him. Gotta punch him in the face as hard as I can. Please don't play another brain thingy, mind destruction power.
Welcome to the exhibit.
picking cards. I think it's like draw one, discard two. Oh well.
My eyes are open. The master hunger.
No. Most OP in the world. I'm not liking this at all. And
Reporting for justice.
there we go, that's better. There's a heal.
Just a pinch of vigor.
This dude's dick is insane. No wonder he's got a card back and everything. He's a freaking pro. It's like. I can't just wipe out half his guys, like literally two. Which is half, but...
Reporting for duty.
Save it. No. No. They won 2 and a 1-4. Now they're probably gonna play a really
Welcome to
strong
the exhibit.
Another one too. It's weird. Why play so many?
In the grand
Oh, there we go.
you win or you die.
Well, GG. Definitely lost this one. This we can make some kind of like insane.
We must cleanse the Sunwell.
Reporting for
Okay, I
duty.
got 3 guys on the field, not bad. 5, 6, that's pretty good. See if they can just wipe me up with that dude. But then he'll have to sacrifice him as well, and I don't think he will. He's probably got some cheap spells. Oh my goodness, why?
Consider.
Yep, see, told you it. Yeah, he doesn't get to draw it.
Is someone injured?
It's not going well. It's useless. Rover Crocalux. Got that. And a dark scale healer. We can play most of these.
I wonder.
Right.
Push
Eh.
forward.
Kill him.
Reporting for duty.
For Najata.
Job done.
Okay, let's just do that. See what happens. It's got another trump card to play. Gosh.
My shield for Argus!
He's gonna heal himself or something. Healing will... That's actually pretty good. But for a 4, 2, 3, 4... I mean, you always... If you always have any other minion on the field, you're gonna have to
Not choose quickly.
I think we didn't make it.
Reporting for duty.
For the king! Shush!
Shit.
For honor.
Eh. Yeah, why not?
Where shall I strike?
Oh no.
Well played.
I'm like literally dead. There's nothing I can do, I'm dead. Some freaking trump cards. A 1-1 for 0. Oh, come on.
Well played. Reporting for duty.
For justice.
To battle.
For honor. Silence!
Still dead.
The victory is yours.
Oh well. Got nothing. I hope we can win this one. That would be good. So I really want to win this one. Let's see who we're playing against. Really wish it was a slow guy.
Jaina!
You asked for it.
I will fight with honor.
Okay. Replace, replace. Silent Night, Blessing of Might. Never used Blessing of Might, like rarely ever. I think that's what keeps on giving it to me. Right. I would not actually do that. I mean, that's kind of waste. I would save it. What is she gonna do now? She's mirroring me! Except I get to go first and I'm not gonna attack him. Rarely ever use it, but I'm gonna save it. I would have put it on my shield master. My shield master!
Reporting for duty.
Boom. Boom coat. good. Not gonna lie. See if I like that. With that. Haha. Oh, they can kill me. Bad time to realize that, isn't it? Very bad time. I don't think he's gonna attack me though. But the way he played these, it's telling me, yep, he's gonna play them differently. That is strong, that is... He's probably gonna play something like a Boulder Fist or a Commando, Stormwind Commando like that. Maybe he even has one of those. Who knows? Oh, okay, then please don't all hit my top guy. Okay, he's gonna sacrifice his charge Wolf Rider. Come on. River Crocs. Fireball. Oh, he's got some kind of card now. Don't think he has enough mana to play it. Ham. Oh, wow. Why? Beast timing in the world.
Reporting for duty.
Literally beast. Okay, what is he gonna do next? Natterweed. Oh. Alright. Shield Master, taunt. Bring it on. Oh, he's going for my hero. It's not as good as a 6/6.
Reporting for duty. To battle!
Please don't have a spell that can take him out. Just oh, fireball. Please don't have a fireball.
Pass me that arc light spanner.
Please don't fireball me. Yes. She doesn't have enough mana. Just have to do that. Did damage all the way. 12 damage right there. That's insane. Oh no! Don't! Please don't kill him. Please don't. Please.
Handle it!
She can still play fireball and kill me with that. No, just don't. Please don't. No. Oh, but then she's dead. Cause boom, boom, dead.
I've got a huge gun!
Huge gun. Yep, dead.
Well played. Reporting for duty. I've got a huge gun!
One shot, one kill.
I wanna rub this in somehow. Ooh.
Me smash! High time!
-9 damage. In turn. Okay, guys. We have a pack opening to do. Yes! Alright. So, back. Shop. Let's buy this pack. Don't want that because Sathan cards, don't really use them. A classic vs tournament. Gonna go classic. What are we gonna get? Private Paladin cards. Oh, Shaman. That's a pretty good card. Overload. Two least mana next. Turn, taunt, engage, +3 attack. Ooh! Oh, rogue! Wait, is that an epic? Give me something for the paladin, you just have to. Please.
Rare.
Another rare paladin! That's pretty good. But you don't want to draw one card. Well, that was pretty well. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please go check out the other videos I have on my channel. This is my 3rd Hearthstone video, so if you're looking for that, don't have so many, but I love Hearthstone, and I'm only going to be recording that in the future. And I'm going to try and upload one per day, but yeah, if I have time, of course. Otherwise, I might miss out on a day or two, but yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video, really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.